how to leverage AI to build systems that solve the marketing problem and also allow you to take home six-figure plus. Because this works for small and large clinics also. So if you're a small or a large clinic owner, keep watching. So first things first, before we make any other changes within your business, within your systems, is we need to understand and get clarity in your marketing, in what you've done in the past and what you're doing now. You might have done some posting on social media, but that only generated you a few likes, a few followers, but no actual appointments. You may spend thousands on ads, but that only got you cheap leads and no actual shows for the actual appointment because they weren't serious about the changes they want to make in their life. You may consider to hire an agency, but the fees were of £2,000 per month were too expensive for you. A lot of business comes from the word of mouth and referrals, but that at this moment in time is not really enough for you if you actually want to scale to the big numbers. And perhaps you did hire an agency, but only ended up spending thousands because the results fell short of the promises. Trust me, we've all been there and we know how it feels. But what you actually need in 2024, in this moment in time, is you need a reliable, a predictable system to bring some consistency in your growth for your clinic to get to the big numbers, right? But during these times, you don't need a marketing agency. Agencies are fast becoming overpriced middlemen who deliver a generic version of the services you can actually do yourself. This has only become possible within the last few months with all the new AI tools that have come up and were created for the different types of marketing you can do for your clinic, right? And what we're here to talk about is how you can take advantage of all these new AI tools to eliminate a reliance on marketing agency, get amazing results yourself, and save a ton of money and time for yourself, right? So a bit about me. My name is Sergey Fedorov. I worked and still do for a med spa clinic for 8 months. I've been in the marketing space, med spa marketing space for the past 1.5 years. I know what does and what doesn't work when it comes to marketing. And I've also created and implemented a full AI system which automated 73% of the work and helped the owner open a second clinic on that specific location, which is Birmingham. With over 9+ months experience in the aesthetic business, I know exactly what works and what doesn't work when it comes to patient acquisition and actually providing and bringing new business for your clinic. And as I've done in the past, traditional agency services were too expensive and our reach for clinics below 40k per month. So we made it simpler, better, and more affordable for everyone. That's why I said it works for small and large clinics also, right? So all the things we're going to talk about is step one is how to create diamond offers. They're very rare and worth a fortune. Trust me when I say this. Step two is reactivate your database, where we use your current database of customers that you have to bring in more business within less than a week without spending any money on ads. Step three is launching social media ads. Using the money that you've generated from step two, you'll be using that to launch social media ads that are going to bring you more leads, more business within less than a week again. And step four is how to use AI to follow up, nurture, engage, and assist the leads that come from the ads, right? So let's begin with step one, creating diamond offers. Creating offers for various treatments using a proven strategy. This is what creating diamond offers means. They are proven to work by hundreds of clinics throughout the UK, and this always keeps you ahead of the competition because most of the clinics I've seen in the past they only do a discount offer, a small discount offer, 25% off 3 microneedling sessions. This is a very generic offer and will only get a few leads that are not that serious into changing anything within their life. But if you actually package everything and learn how to create the actual offers without any discounts, this will actually get you good leads, a good amount of leads that are actually serious about changing themselves, right? You can see here some pictures. The benefits of creating diamond offers, though, is you never have to stress about creating new promos ever again because we have all the templates available for you and we can do some tweaks here and there just to tailor it specifically for your clinic. You can always scale as we develop, test, and launch new offers monthly just to make sure you're getting the best outcome. And you never, ever have to stress about wasting money and skip all the try and error phase because we're testing everything. We know what works, what doesn't work. So you have to do is pick, implement, and get results, right? Step two is reactivate your database. What we do is you give us access to a database of previous customers that you had in the clinic. You send out text messages depending on the size of the list. We tend to send from 50 to 500 text messages every single day, and from there you get a ton of appointments and sales. This same strategy can also be used to generate 20 plus Google reviews in just a few days. You can generate a steady flow of customers throughout the year because, as I said, it's an evergreen campaign and it can be redone again and again every 4 to 5 months. Our recent client just done it a few weeks ago and they already got results. And you can get people to sign up to your monthly membership without paying for marketing or anything else, right? Step three is launching social media ads. All you have to do is connect your social accounts, mostly Facebook and Instagram, to our CRM. From there, we work together with you to generate the best offers and select from a plug and play template, because we need to actually understand the services, the treatments that you actually want to market and put out there for the people to see. And then from there, we, with a simple click, we launch a campaign and you can check them out and you can get results in as little as 5 days, right? The benefits of this is you don't need to wait days or weeks for slow agencies to launch your campaigns. You have access to everything. You can run as many campaigns as you like, either generic or customized for different treatments or packages you have. You get results in as little as 5 days, and you don't need to think or create anything new. All the copies, templates, images are provided to you in just one day of working with us, right? From there, step four is we use AI to follow up, nurture, engage, and assist the leads that come from the ads, and not only the ads. So how this works is lead generated through social media go into our CRM, which has all your accounts connected into one place, whether that be email, Facebook Messenger, whether that be Instagram, SMS, chat widget from your website, everything in one place. From there, there's an AI assistant specifically trained on MedSpa information that engages, assists, and nurtures the leads specifically and based on the questions that they've asked. The messages are not pre-written by us. Is like ChatGPT integrated within your clinic, basically. And from there, you only reach out to hot leads that confirm the appointment. So how this works is we get people from ads, we nurture them into booking a phone call appointment, and then from there you call them, they pick up, you consult them, and then from there you book an actual appointment into a clinic appointment, right? Because these people that have confirmed their phone call appointment have went a step further to confirm a phone call appointment, and from there you can just call them, make sure they're okay, you can consult them, you know the steps you have to do in order to sell them from the phone into a clinic appointment, right? So from there, the benefits of this is you don't waste time chasing after bad leads who don't respond to the phone or don't pick up to the phone. You only talk with hot leads. What we mean by that is that people that actually went a step further to book the phone call appointment with you and are actually interested in changing something with their life and purchasing your treatments that you're offering at the clinic. The AI assistant is there 24/7 and can also replace a full-time staff who you'd have to pay £1,000 per month plus just for them to stay there. The AI assistant is constantly trained using new and better information, thus it's getting better every single day. And you can plug the AI assistant into all your lead sources, whether that be a website widget, Google My Business, SMS, IG, Facebook, DMs, and many other more emails recently as well. The result of this is you can build an AI-enabled marketing system in your clinic in just 3 months while adding 5K plus to your monthly revenue, right? So in this one single page is a 3-month AI acquisition system bootcamp is all we have to offer and the total value. Now before you skip and you close the video because you saw the total value being £7,297, just keep watching. Trust me, the slide doesn't finish here, so we have a few slides left, right? All you have to offer is a Go High Level software, which is priced at £297 per month value. This is a customized specifically for med spas and used to build your AI acquisition machine, and also includes payment integration to collect deposits, email marketing, SMS, appointment booking, social media posting tool, and many other more. There's a lot in there. The next one is a social funnel, which is the client acquisition system priced at £1,500 value. You can launch in just a few clicks without any marketing or tech experience. You can choose from a list of proven offers based on 9+ months of working with MedSpas. Next one is the AI lead nurturing system, which is priced at £2,500 value. You can get access to a ChatGPT AI lead nurturing assistant, tuned and trained specifically for aesthetic clinics. You can train your own assistant over time to become immensely knowledgeable on your services and a pro at booking appointment. From there, you get a one-on-one and group support, which is priced at £1,000 value, which gives you access to one-on-one welcome and onboarding call, and also it's a one-on-one tech support and launch call. Bonus one, and the only bonus we're offering at the moment, is the database reactivation system, which is priced at £2,000 value. It gives you access to a plug-and-play reactivation system that allows you to wake up hundreds of dormant clients from a database, and this is the fastest way to actually put cash in your pocket ASAP and pay for our systems in just 1 or 2 weeks of working with us, right? So total value of this is £7,297. But for now, the investment is a low three-figure investment. And you have two choices here. You can pay all up front, or you can pay half now and half after 1 month. right? And other fees you can have is SMS fees, which is priced at roughly around £30 per month, and the OpenAI fees for the AI assistant is around £20 a month. So there's not big numbers. And also the recommended ad spend for the ads will be from £600 from to £1,200 plus per month. That is dependent on the size of the clinic, but you can vary between them depending on the type of results you want to get. Big money, big results, small money, small results. That's how it works. So the AI early mover advantage. Since AI is lead nurturing is a blue ocean strategy for the market, there are serious benefits of getting started sooner than later. So the longer you wait, the greater the number of med spas will be using this strategy and the less effective it will become, right? So what we guarantee is if you are not totally blown away by the value offered in the program, and you're not 100% convinced this is your ticket to creating the business and personal income of your dreams, you can ask for a full, no questions asked refund within 4 weeks of signing up. So if you pick the second choice of paying half now and half after 1 month, if by the end of the first month you're not happy with everything you're getting, and you're not 100% convinced this is your ticket to creating the business and personal income of your dreams, you can ask for the first fee and we'll refund it to you with no questions at all, right? And the people that seen this video have said they don't really have time for this. Well, you don't have time to not to actually. Time spent chasing bad quality leads, time spent worrying about finances, time spent on the wrong marketing activities, time spent fixing the work of crappy agencies. When you use the right AI tools, you actually save a lot of time and make a lot of money than you actually expect to. Can you actually invest 2 hours into getting on board with our system, and then from there 1 to 5 hours per week calling your leads, which without us or with us, you need to do this anyway to actually get any business within your clinic, right? So also people have said we don't really have the budget for this right now and I don't have any money at the moment. Well, if you truly on your last dollar or on your last pound, you have a better chance of making it work since you'll actually do anything to get the money back and more to actually generate more than you've actually paid. Plus, we guarantee you results in the first week of working with us without having to spend any penny on ads, right? So there's no risk for you, only the first investment figure. What people also used to say is that I'm not really a tech person. That's completely understandable at this moment in time. But I know all these CRMs can be complicated sometimes, but 90% of all the tech work has already been done for you. And we've created these systems based on other med spas and we've implemented what already works for them to our AI acquisition systems and obviously afterwards into your clinic. Plus, we provide full system support, plus an in detailed training on every nuance of our CRM and systems that we have to offer. So even though you've got no previous experience, this change will not be difficult for you at the moment. Plus, you need to change a little bit of your mindset because in 2024, not having any tech experience and trying to market and scale your clinic to six-figure plus can be a really big, difficult thing you need to do, and you need to change a little bit of your mindset because you need to try and learn all these things because everything is technology now. So not knowing anything about AI and tech stuff will actually keep you behind and keep your competition in front of you all the time, right? So the most difficult thing is fixing Facebook page shutdowns or suspensions, and you have to deal with this anyways, and we'll help you with it. So it's much easier for you to deal with this. It's a big pain, trust me. All right, so this is everything we have to offer. How the call will go is we'll analyze your systems that you currently have in place. We'll see if what we have right now is good for you or helpful for you. And then from there, if you agree with this, we can run you through the systems that we have in more detail. And from there, we'll discuss the possible next steps.